So you are at Varina High School, and we are on their football field where the Unmanned Aircraft Systems class is practicing their drone photography. The goal is that they'll be using the drones to take photographs of a garden area on campus called the Varina Forest Grove that needs some redesign work. And then with the imagery that they take, we'll then plug that into their GIS class and create the maps and then design from there. But for now, we're practicing how to take pictures with the drones.
Flying a drone is basically like you just have to control your emotions, control the feeling, like you just have to feel the drone when you are trying to fly it. Also have to be calm when you fly too, because one small reaction can cause the drone to go flying up or crash.
It plays into a variety of different careers. The class itself, the students are able to take the Part 107 exam to get their commercial license, and with that they can either take it into drone photography for real estate, for surveying. They could use the drones for agricultural purposes where you're checking on plant health. It's one more skill set that they're bringing into a career. I hope that it builds curiosity and courage, that they'll tackle other things that feel foreign to them.
I'll go committed.